Today I want to talk about editing. And by editing, I essentially mean color editing, color grading, color correction, all these things that come to your mind. Basically playing around with the colors of a picture or a video. Is it not that we often say कि अगर कोई चीज़ edited है तो most likely it's fake, as if editing is cheating? I've heard that a lot. I've had a lot of people around me hear that too. But I want to clear the air a little bit. There are different types of editing. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि उस पिक्चर के फिजिकल एट्रीब्यूट्स में कोई चेंजेस किए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम हियर देन आई माइट रिमूव दैट लैम्प फ्रॉम माई पिक्चर, राइट? In that case, you might see that, okay, it's fake, it's not real. But a lot of times, even when people change the colors of their pictures or videos, people say that it's edited and they look down upon it. But I want to just clear the air today. I want to let you know that editing बहुत अलग अलग तरह की होती है and not all editing is bad. In fact, काफ़ी बार हमें ये लगता है कि हमने जैसा उसको शूट किया है, we should present it as it is. #NoFilter, which is one of my biggest gripes against people and against whoever you know. मेरा ये कहना है कि there's nothing as a no filter look. Why I say that is because हम आज की डेट में डिजिटल कैमराज पे शूट कर रहे हैं. be it our SLRs, DSLRs, phones, cinema cameras, mostly everything is digital today, and every camera has their own way of processing and translating those light photons into colors digitally. तो उस digital recreation process में every camera, every model has a different color reproduction process, which is why people say that, oh, I prefer Canon color science more, or I prefer Sony color science more, or Red or Arri. तो ये सब थोड़ा सा डिबेट हमारे इसमें चलता रहता है. But that essentially tells us that every camera produces different colors. और सिर्फ colors की बात नहीं है. We often feel like everyone should only be documenting things as they are. I think it's not necessary for every single person to document things just as they are. Not everyone is doing documentary photography or just documenting every single moment of their lives as it is. Sometimes you need to use colors to evoke a certain emotion in your viewers. To explain that point further, I would say consider it to be like a background music on a video. For example, if I add some happy music to this video, then it will look more bright and happy to you. And if I use some dark and depressing music on the same video, then it will have a more dark and depressing vibe and emotional feel to it. Well, color is just an enhancement to that. In fact, sometimes you can make the viewer feel the same emotions without actually using music, by just using the background score or the natural sound effects of that video, while just conveying that message or emotion or feeling through colors. That is how our brain works. That is how our brain deciphers emotions through colors. If I have to sum it up, I would say that color grading is like a silent background music, where it is conveying an emotion but you can't hear it. It's just playing with your subconscious mind and delivering the message without you really realizing what it's doing to you. तो अगर तुम एक क्लिप ले रहे हो, उस पर तुमने बैकग्राउंड में एक म्यूजिक डाला, and then you also use color grading to enhance that emotion and feeling even more, then it all comes together and takes you to a more fictional side of filmmaking, where you're controlling what your audience feels. तो मेरी summary सिर्फ इतनी है कि you get to choose what you want to convey, what you want to express. It might be sometimes that you want to present it as it is, as it came out from the camera, and I know most of the phones more or less show you the more natural side of the spectrum of colors, so you could consider it as no filter look and just share it right away. That's what I do with a lot of my stories. But if you want to evoke a certain emotion in your audience, or you want to share what you felt at that time or whatever it is, then you could be using editing or color grading for your benefit, to support your story even more and to help your audience envision it the way you do. Alright, I hope it helped you a little with the color grading, editing part of the process of filmmaking, and I hope you know a little more than what you did before you watched this video. If you feel like I make some sense with what I say, then I would love for you to comment, like, and even share this video with whoever you would want to. And if you feel like I'm a worthy YouTuber, I am a YouTuber. If you feel I'm worthy, then I would highly appreciate a subscribe. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. Really grateful that I'm getting to do this. Also, it's day 29 for me today. कल मेरा लास्ट डे है ऑफ दिस 30-day सीरीज ऑफ कंसेक्यूटिव शूटिंग ऑन यूट्यूब. उसके बाद भी वीडियोज़ आएंगी बाय द वे. ओके, Alright, thanks a lot. See you guys. Bye.